Cynful, the Duncan Seafood Chowder. This is what you'll need. There is a link to a printable recipe in the video description. We're going to start by making our ham broth. We're using Better Than Bouillon. We're going to take a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons to 2 cups of water, hot water, and stir it up. Get it all mixed in there. We're also using a dry sherry. Go ahead and get that measured out in a cup, and we're using some Old Bay seasoning as well. And put that in a little container with the rest, with your thyme, because we're also using fresh thyme. This is your mise en place. You want all of your stuff within easy reach. We're going ahead and cook the bacon until it's crispy, and then go ahead and use a slotted spoon to pull it out. Now this is our mirepoix, carrots, onions, and celery. Cook them down until they're starting to get soft, and then add flour. Stir that in, cook about 3 minutes. Then go ahead and start to add your broth. So that's your ham broth and your chicken broth, or chicken or seafood broth. And then add the sherry. Stir all that in together and bring it to a nice low simmer. Now we're going to go ahead and cook the lobster tails in their shells. In this, we're going to give it a little bit more of a seafood twist. And cook them until they start to curl up like this and are bright red. Add the potatoes. Cook those until they are somewhat fork tender. You want the insides hard, the outside soft. We also added our thyme and our Old Bay. So we've reduced the heat, and we're going to add our scallops. Stir those in, let them cook for a minute or two. Now add the cream. This is what's going to make it nice and creamy. We've dropped in our shrimp. Stir that in. And when you start seeing them get slightly opaque and maybe slightly pink, go ahead and add that cooked lobster. We've cut the shells in half, we've moved the meat out and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Stir all that in, and when the shrimp gets nice and pink and curls into a C, it's ready to go. Should look like this. We're going to add that last pat of butter just to pull it all together, and that is your seafood chowder. I'm calling it the Duncan. Top it with that bacon and a little bit of chopped parsley. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for making this wonderful seafood chowder, the Duncan. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps the algorithm, and it's free. And as always, y'all have a blessed day.